Hey everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am back with a new design team project or package, not project, package, haven't made anything yet, from Country Craft Creations using, I received the new Zoo Adventure paper from Carta Bella. This is a Steve Duncan paper, and if you've watched any of my tutorials, you know I'm a huge fan of Steve Duncan. He does some really fun stuff. He does a lot of retro stuff. This one is so cute, I can't even tell you. So I received seam binding. So I got some kind of a rust colored red-ish, yeah, that's kind of a rust, tan, and then a light green to work with this collection. I received the frames and tags. I'm not going to open these up just because it gets a little messy when I do that. But there's some really cute frames in here. Of course, adorable tags. The tags are always adorable. So I got those, and then, of course, here's the paper. So it's got these absolutely adorable cut-aparts in different sizes that almost look like postcards that you would buy at the zoo as like a souvenir or something. I know when I was a kid I used to buy lots of postcards when we'd go on vacation and on trips and things, just because I thought they were fun. So, and I still do that now because you can use them like in mini albums, and you can use them if you're doing pocket page scrapbooking. You know, you can, usually they'll fit in like a 4x6 spot, and it's just a really easy way to, you know, get a title or something in there that shows where you were and where your next pages and pictures are coming from, without having to design a title or try to, you know, use like the letter stickers or whatever to create a title for your page. It's just an easy way to do that. So that was what I thought was really cool about this cut apart sheet, is because it does kind of remind me of those postcards. On the back side, we've got this adorable light. I mean, seriously, how cute is his face? He has got the cutest little face. I mean, it just kills me. Cute collage sheet here with the little kid with the binoculars, and you've got gorillas and tigers and cheetahs and hippos and elephants and orangutans and monkeys and koalas. Just absolutely adorable. I mean, I know she sent me this. I'm going to end up ordering more of this because I love it. It's just that cute. And then the back, you've got just the silhouettes of all the different animals. So, I mean, we've got giraffes, and we've got, like, looks like an emu. I mean, just all kinds of animals on the back side there. Here we've got a way cute giraffe page. And this just reminds me of, if you've seen Madagascar, and the giraffe on Madagascar, and I can't think of his name right off the top of my head, even though I've seen that movie about 1,000 times because my son loves it. This just reminds me of him. It's just too cute. Got a great bright stripe that would be a good background for pictures. And then we've got another 3x4 cut apart sheet. And again, these just feel like those the postcards. You've got a cute scene here of the zoo. You've got that adorable lion with that cute little face. You've got a gecko over here. You've got seals, camel. I mean, just all kinds of stuff. And then the back side, this is my favorite sheet in the entire collection. He has a tendency to do like these big scene sheets, like the dinosaur collection was a Steve Duncan design, and you guys remember what I did with that like comic book page where I did the flaps. I'll probably do something where I can keep this page mostly intact because I absolutely love it. It's so cute. Then we've got the birds, and this one is, to me, feels like the tiki room at Disneyland. I just, the birds, I love it. And on the back, we've got this adorable bamboo print. We've got monkeys swinging in the trees, and it's just adorable. Then we've got that giraffe print on the back there. Here we've got a word collage, which is always fun. And we've got adorable tigers on the back, tiger stripe. We've got a page with the animals as the with the alphabet And you've got everybody here, so this is just really adorable. And then you've got another word collage that's more of a muted, like shadow word collage on the back, which has all of those same words on it. And again, this hippo has just got an adorable face. I don't know what it is about this collection. They just have such cute, fun faces that just draw your eye. I just love it. And you've got a zebra stripe. And then we've got another collage that's just very colorful. It's got all the different animals. It's got some little sayings, slow and steady. It's good to be king. What's up? Perfection. I mean, just, it's so cute. Seriously, I'm going to have to buy a thing of this just to hoard because you're paper crafters, you know this is what we do. Cute jungle leaves there. Got an adorable elephant standing out in the grass. And then we've got border strips, which I love border strips. Those are always really fun for belly bands and different closures and, you know, album closures and that kind of thing. They're just really fun. And you've got, again, that with the words. You've got the zoo bus with the animals. You've got the birds again, which I love the birds. And then we've got an animal collage sheet here. And on the back, we've got the cheetah print. Oops. And then we've got our sticker sheet, and the sticker sheet has that adorable lion again, a big sticker of him. We've got just a bunch of different ones. We've got banners, of course, which are always fun. We've got some little tag stickers. It's a really good one. There's a ton of stickers on here. So there's going to be a whole lot you can do with that. And then, of course, I got the coordinating solids. And the coordinating solids packs, there are 2 of each color. So we've got a red and blue. We've got an orange and brown, if I can get hold of it to turn it over. And then we've got kind of a yellow. This is, I mean, it's yellow, but it's got more of a green undertone. In person, I know on the camera it looks really yellow, but it's got a green undertone to it. And then the green, of course. And then as a bonus, I have got Simple Stories, Simple Pages, Happy Spring 4-page layout kit. So Simple Stories has started doing these layout kits and card kits and things, and they're really, really fun to do. So everything is in here. You'll create 2 12x12 layouts, 2-page 12x12. I know what I'm trying to say. It's really early. I apologize. Everything is in here. You just can add, you know, some, you know, pull some decorations out of your stash, enamel dots, that kind of thing. And it's each one of these kits, it has the 4 cardstock base sheets. It's got 53 die-cut bits and pieces, step-by-step instructions, and 26 chipboards. So that's a lot of stuff for one of these little kits. So I will put this together. In fact, I will probably do this first because it's going to take me a little bit to figure out exactly what I want to do with this because I just love it so much. And then, of course, chipboard, because we always get chipboard. Chipboard is awesome. So there is my design team package. It might be a couple weeks before you see anything from this one. I'm actually going camping for Easter weekend next weekend, and then we have, of course, the April retreat in Utah the weekend after that, and I am teaching at that retreat. So watch for lots of lives and pictures from the retreat in Scrapbookers, and have a good Sunday, guys.